Sa comments.
Spam your username, guys.
In the comments. In the comment section.
In the comments.
Gansa din na nang pagina ni Jake.
Di ba? Ikaw. Asan sa likod mo?
Sabuon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Babat lang naman. Ano? Ano na? Talikod na ka.
Thank you very much, bro.
Guys! So guys, join us ko guys para part part 8 guys! So guys, spam your username and your password.
Yung password.
Your username and spam me in the chat guys.
Wala mo kakontak ba guys?
See this guys? Yeah.
See this, I'm going to give it to her as promise.
I'm gonna give it to you guys. So spam your username in the chat. Okay, that's it.
Comment lagi wala
Bye.
ka nag-live.
Bye-bye guys.
Bye-bye, see you never ever.
See you on tomorrow morning.
Dali guys ako.
See you tomorrow morning guys.
Nakay kukutang
Goodbye.